Welcome to our quick overview of the SwitchBot Smart Button Pusher, the perfect solution for upgrading your home automation system. Imagine transforming any traditional button-operated device into a smart gadget with just one simple device. That's exactly what the SwitchBot Smart Button Pusher offers. With its sleek, compact design, it seamlessly integrates into your home, making your life easier and more convenient. Here's how it works. The SwitchBot Smart Button Pusher attaches to any button or switch, converting it into a smart device. Whether it's your coffee maker, light switch, or any other appliance, you can control it remotely. Just use the SwitchBot app on your smartphone to manage your devices from anywhere at any time. Not only does it provide remote control, but it also works with major voice assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Imagine just saying a command and having your devices turn on or off without lifting a finger. Installation is a breeze. There's no need for complicated setups or tools. Simply attach the SwitchBot Smart Button Pusher to your existing button or switch, and you're ready to go. It operates on batteries, so you can place it anywhere without worrying about power outlets. Plus, you can create custom schedules and routines. Set it to automatically turn your devices on or off based on your daily needs, making your home more efficient and responsive to your lifestyle. Upgrade your home with the SwitchBot Smart Button Pusher and enjoy a smarter, more connected living space. It's a simple, effective way to bring modern automation to your everyday life. For more information or to purchase, visit Amazon link in the description.